Hello YouTube family, good morning from my side. How are you all doing, guys? How's everything? I believe your night went well. Good evening to those of you that are in the evening, those of you that are in the night or about to sleep. I greet you all according to your own time. Yeah, welcome to Lebanon, guys. Yeah, this is me trying to start a new vlog, guys. We are in the balcony, so pardon the noise, okay? Yeah, pardon the noise. Sorry, it's like it's not clear. I don't know why it's like this, but manage it with me. So yeah, welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Blessing. In case you are seeing me for the first time, okay, my name is Blessing and you're watching Blessing Ekwere TV, okay. So you're highly welcome. I also want to say a very big thank you to all my beautiful supporters, my awesome supporters. God bless you all for always supporting me, for always being there. And also to my returning subscribers, thank you for coming back. God bless you. So guys, I will take you guys along with me because I'm trying to reach happy shop. Yeah, I need something, few things, like just two things, okay. I need lemon and spinach. Let me see if they have spinach because I really want to make my food. I will fix this. I know this is since today is what, Friday? Yeah, I think it's on Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday. Yeah. So to wash them and it's dry. I need to fix that up, okay? And then we'll start going. So let's go inside. Let's go. So the time we can go. Yeah, and come back. We have a lot to do. So I'll take you guys on a lot. Yeah. So I love you all. So yeah, we are in the balcony. So guys, let's go to Happy. Wow. All right, guys. See you in Central Mall, okay? We are just going to the Happy shop inside Central Mall, okay? All right, see you there. So we just finished buying and we are going. Yeah. Welcome back home. So this is what we got, okay? Lemon. I'm going to make lemon juice, okay? So this is the one I got before. It's not gonna be enough. The one we got yesterday, so I have to go to Happy. This one we got it nearby store here. So I said let me go to Happy and check. I was supposed to go yesterday, but there was no. I couldn't meet up, okay? So I decided to go this month. It's like this season, I think it's not the lemon season, like it's not the race season, the main season, because it's very hard to find good one, you know. Before to make lemon juice, you need plain lemon, as in without spot in the body, like I mean fresh one, okay? But anyway, this is how it goes. It's going to be enough as I will manage it. So I've also got this. I needed spinach, but they don't have spinach, so I'm going to let you guys. This is very one. Yeah, this is what I got. This one. We chew it like that. Let me just wash one and show you how. So it's like kind of salad leaf, okay? Crocker, but I've used it before to make soup and it was very nice. So today I'm going to use it again. So this is how we do it. And there's this type of sauce we make with tahina or tahini. You can call it tahina or tahini. So we make tahini to it. We mix tahini with lemon and salt and then put, I think garlic, no, yeah. And then we dip this inside and, oh my goodness, it's so yummy. Yeah, so I got 2 of this. So I'm going to use this for myself today. Yeah. Because I wanted to swallow. I need swallow. As you can see, I need swallow. So guys, anyway. We have meat, we have stockfish. Yeah, stockfish head. I'm going to add also fish, which is the dry fish or smoked fish, anyhow. Okay, to cook first. Yeah, so let's put it to cook and later on the fish, right? So later we're going to add fish, okay? So guys, yeah, this is the vegetable finally chopped, okay? So we're going to use this, and this is the pussy finally blend. So we finally succeeded knowing what to cook. So yeah, I'm going to see. So that's it, and the meat is right there steaming. Yeah, that's it for now. So I'll talk to you guys later, okay? So guys, I'm going to add smoked fish, okay? It's going to be yummy, yummy. Guys, this fish, eat it at home like snacks. Eat it like snacks, okay? Especially me. When I feel like I needed something to chew, like I would just want to put something in my mouth, I'll just go and open the container, fish container, and bring them